Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to remove emoji on a picture with an Instagram application. So this application hacks I would like to show to you, it's from Instagram without any photo editor applications needed. So the first thing you have to do now is just open your Instagram application over here, and after that make sure that you are in the home section, and you can slide your screen into the right side until you are in the story section. And in the story section you just need to upload the picture that you want to remove the emojis from. So by clicking this part, and after that you just need to choose the photo that containing the emoji, for example this one. And here you can see I would like to try removing this love symbols over here. So the things that you need to do now is just go click these three small dots, and after that you just need to go click draw. And now you need to pick the color, so you just need to go click this color picker, and now you just need to adjusting the sample of the color that you want to use for the brush. And don't forget that use this type of brush. You can also adjusting the thickness of the line, and whenever you're done you just need to start scratching the emoji. And whenever you're done, you can go click this eraser and go erase the part that you want to remove to make it like smoother. Oh my bad, I think it's too big. It's too big. So you just need to like scratching the part that you want to like remove to make it like more perfect. And whenever you're done you just need to go click done. And now to save this picture you just need to go click these three small dots again and go click save. And now you already got the emoji removed from your photo only with Instagram. So that's for the application hacks for today. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, and I'll see you for the next video.